All right. So this is going to be a live trading, okay, with you. All right. I'm going to carry out a live trade using the bot, the MetaFishers bot that I've been using, okay, just to show you how this work. So if you are joining up, you should be able to follow up and get an idea of how this work. All right, so I'm going to walk you everything step by step, how I select my coin, how I trade them, where I set my take profit, stop losses and the rest. All of that is what we'll be looking at in this live stream. Okay. So basically what I'm going to look at this evening is how to trade. I've seen a coin I'm going to trade already. Okay. I've seen a coin I'm going to trade already. So I'm still deciding whether I'll go long or short. Okay. Or go long and short at the same time. All right. So we're going to analyze the market together. We'll look at all of these things together and see how it works. All right. So if you are just joining, okay, if you are joining up, all you just need to do is to use the chat section. If you do have queries, questions or so, okay, you can use the live chat section and make your you know your inputs. All right. So that is what we're going to look at. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me bring my tools. All right. Um, Once again, if you're just joining up, you can use the chat section, right? So we're just going to do some analysis right now and then go live by taking some trades. All right, so I'm back and I'm going to show you, okay, I'm going to show you what I'm currently doing, because already I've selected the coin I'm going to trade, which is this HNT token. Okay, so I let me just walk you through the process, okay, from when I selected the coin and then how I got here. Okay, I'm just going to show you that right now before we proceed further. Okay, so now let me just show you that. So I use this bot called the Metafishes bot. All right, so this is the bot I use. So when I opened the bot, all right, I saw here, you see that automatically what the bot does is that it gives you update every now and then on the top 10 gainers, okay, in the market. All right, if you linked it up to your Binance account or to your Bybit account, so you get those statistics here. Okay, and I saw that this HNT token has been doing very well. All right, as at the time I got this information, it was just around 20 something percent. Right now it went up to 40 something. Now it dropped down to 38. Okay, so this is the token I saw here. All right, and then normally the bot gives you a signal here. If I click on this icon, you see that it gives you signal recommendation. All right, so here you see that the recommendation is buy. This is on the 15 minutes time frame. You can check for all of the time frames here. Okay, but in most cases I just ignore the signal that the bot gives to you. The bot has a lot of features that you can actually use. All right, so I just ignore this signal, and then what I did was to come to my trading view. Okay, so I came to my just came to my trading view and then went to my watch list. Okay, so I have a list of cryptocurrencies that I trade on a daily basis that I keep my eye on. I have all of the list here. So what I did was to come in here and add up this to my watch list. Okay, so I added it to my watch list, and then I added these indicators you are looking at right now. So the indicator I added is the 200 moving average. Okay, the white line you're seeing right here. Let me take this out of the screen. Okay, and then I added my RSI. Okay, so I just added RSI. Now on this chart right here, I am on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, the RSI is showing that this is overbought already. Okay, and then this candlesticks. Okay, now the way I use the 200 moving average is that I look for an opportunity to short the market when the candlesticks are trading below this. On any time frame, I'm going to use this, whether it is 1 minute time frame or the daily time frame. Okay, once the candlesticks are trading below, I look for an opportunity to short the market. But right now, okay, with the current state of the crypto market, this coin just started pumping all of a sudden. Okay, so what I do is I just go around and then check. I can even come to, let's say, go to coin market cap. Okay, I can go to coin market cap and look at the token itself and see what exactly the token is doing in the market right now. What exactly is the cost? Okay, I can go to Twitter and check what exactly is the cost of this coin pumping and the rest. I can come in here and type in HNT. Okay, so it's the helium token. So just go ahead and click. All right, normally what I do is if I come in here, I'll just go straight. Okay, scroll down. When you scroll down, you see by the side there, okay, the live helium chart. You see what people are saying. Okay, the chart, this is like 10 hours ago. Okay, then this person just send out a chart that after they stop selling, now it's time for HNT to go up and the rest. Okay, so if I scroll down, I can come in here to news and check if there is any news that is making this coin actually pumped at this point in time. All right, and this is actually a news that is published an hour ago. All right, so why the coin, you can go ahead and read. Okay, when you open this, it opens in a new tab where you can go and read more about that. So I'm just looking for reasons why this coin is pumping. Will it continue to pump or will it drop? Okay, so that those are some of the facts I'm looking at. Another thing I can do is to come in here to more, still on coin market cap, come in here to more info and then go to socials and see what is actually happening on Twitter about this coin. All right, So when I check all of these things, then I'll now come back and look at the technical aspect of it. So when I come back to trading view, all I simply do is, because I'm not going to stay in this market for a longer time, all right, I just want to scalp the market, make profit and exit the market. So I look at all of this time frame. I'll look at it at the daily time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame is still is yet, because the RSI is just showing around 64 65 on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so it has not hit that overbought level yet. All right, and then if I go to the daily time frame, okay, you see that it was at this oversold level, so it's just beginning to retrace back. Okay, it's beginning to retrace back. Now I have two options when I look at this. I look at it at a longer time frame, then I look at it on in the shorter time frame. So I have two options when I look at this chart right here. I can open both a long and short position. Okay, now my long position will be based on the longer time frame, meaning that it can actually take a day or two before I can actually make profit in that position that I'm going to open long. All right, and then on the short position, I just want to take advantage of this retracement in the if I come back to the 5 minutes. Okay, you see that this coin actually popped to, okay, from this level. All right, it popped up this way and then came back here and started retracing. All right, so you see that when it popped and started retracing on the 5 minutes time frame, it was already at the overbought level. Okay, it was already at the overbought level. So if I over this here, you see that it already got to 80 something or thereabout before it started retracing back and so on. All right, then if I come to the 1 minute time frame, the same thing. You see that, okay, you see the pump here. All right, after pumping and then it started retracing back. Now there is every probability that now that it has hit this 200 moving average here, okay, the 200 moving average that it come to, there are two possibilities here, whether it will hit and cross down, okay, or it will retrace back again. All right, so now this moving average, this 200 moving average, could be serving as a support for the market if the market doesn't break through, meaning that any moment from now this can actually start retracing back and the rest and stuff like that. All right, so the short position I'm going to open, I'll just use the bot. All right, the bot works with Binance and Bybit. You can link them up via API. Okay, so for those of you who don't know already, so all I just need to do is just come in. Let me just remove these drawings out of the screen. Okay, so on the lower time frame, whether 5 minutes, even on the 15 minutes time frame, you can equally see that actually pumped up this way and then it retraces back. All right, so if I bring my measurement tool and measure this market from where it popped down here, okay, so you see that the movement downward was even up to 10% or thereabout, and this would have mean a lot of profit based on the size of the leverage you are using and then the capital you are risking at that point in time. All right, so basically that is what I'm going to do. So right now I'll go back to the board. Now that I've seen this is actually trading above the 200 moving average, meaning that what we can do is to wait for it to retrace a bit further, maybe close to the 200 moving average, then we'll open a long position when it starts retracing upward. Okay, but what I'm going to do is for the longer time frame, okay, for the longer time frame, I'm going to open a long position. Okay, looking at it on a daily time frame, I can open a long position and then hope to take profit when this gets to $7 plus or thereabout. And then if you exceed that level, another target I'll be looking at is around $11 plus. Okay, that is on the daily time frame. But on this other shorter time frame, I'm just going to open a short position and that trade will close maybe in an hour time, 2 hours from now, and then I'm off the market. All right, so what I do is already let me go back to the bot. Okay, let me go ahead and open the Meta Futures bot. Now, links to all of this, okay, if you don't have an account with Bybit, Binance, or the Meta Futures bot, you can just use the links to sign up in the video description. You can check the video description and sign up for an account. So once I open up the Meta Futures bot, all right, so the coin keep increasing, it's up by 40%. Okay, so this is the bot. All right, so all I need to do is to click on the coin here to open it up. So once I click on the coin, I already have a setting that you have to do. Okay, if I scroll down here, let me scroll down here. Okay, once you click on this setting icon, once you click on this setting icon, there are things you need to do. Okay, the settings, your take profit level, the margin calls. Okay, when the market start going against you, what how many margins do you want to trade? Do you want to enter the market and stuff like that? Trailing stop loss, everything is done on this setting. Okay, I have other videos that walk you step by step on how to do this. You have to check my channel for that, or join the Telegram group, okay, to get updates on that. I do have weekly Zoom meetings where I teach people how to use this board and other crypto features. All right, so when I come in here, the next thing I need to do is I can come in here and go ahead and open either a short position by selling, okay, or a long position. Okay, I can open a long position by buying, or a short position by selling, or like open both long and short position together. All right, open both long and short position together. If I'm going to open both long and short position together, I just go ahead and click on both. So once I click on both, it will open both the long and short position for me. Okay, so let me just hold on. I think that has placed the trade. Yeah, the trade has been placed. Okay, you can see that already the long position, right? Yeah, the long position is already making some profit for us, as you can see, and then the short position is running in losses. Okay, so we'll just keep it. The short position will be in profit very soon, so just keep it the way it is. All right, and then set your take profit level. My take profit level is for scalping the market based on the amount of money I'm going to use, is always at 1%. Okay, it's always 1%. So this would have closed the trade. At times, the board keep hanging and the rest. So this trade would have closed, but I can just go ahead and adjust this to, let's say, 15% and save. Okay, let me just save that. So and wait for it to load up again. Sorry. All right, so this other one, the short position, I can make the take profit level to be sorry, let me just let the board load up. Okay, so if I scroll down here to the short position, let me adjust the take profit by clicking on that pencil icon and then adjust it to around 20%, and then go ahead and click on save. Okay, so once I finish adjusting these things, I equally have an option to enter automatically trade this market. Okay, like this one now, on the longer time frame here, they want the long position trade here. If I wanted to take a trade after it closes this one in profit, all I just need to do, okay, all I just need to do is to go ahead and click on this one shot. So once I click on this one shot, it will change it to circle mode. All right, meaning that when it closes, it takes another one. When it closes, it takes another one. When it closes, it takes another one. Okay, so that is how that works. I can click on that. You see that it has even changed position. Now the short position is the one that is in profit, and then the long position is now running at losses. Okay, so it has changed position. You see that this should be closing any moment from now because it's already 6%. Okay, I can equally click on this to make sure that I trade this on the circle mode. So the first one has changed to circle mode. The second one will equally change to circle mode. Let it load up. Okay, all right. So you see, let me refresh this. Okay, let me show you something. They are both running now at circle mode. Let me just refresh it and see what happens. Okay, so this, we put this at 20. Okay, so if we put it at 10%, maybe it would have circled that or thereabout, right? So basically that is all I do here. All right, but it seems the short position will be giving us more money or thereabout. Now it's 12%. So the more it goes down, the more it makes us more money, and then the long position too can be there for a while. Remember, If I come to my trading view, if I come back to the trading view, why the long position, let me just show you. Okay, if I come back to the trading view, so all I need to do here is I'm actually making this analysis based on the daily time frame. Okay, this can actually continue to go up, or it could, start coming down from where it is, but whichever way, let's just observe the market and see what happens. Okay, let us observe the market and see what actually happens with this trade. Okay, this is actually moving very fast. Okay, the short position is moving very fast. If I switch back to my bot again, okay, this could be hitting a target in any moment from now. Okay, it went to 17% or there about 16. Okay, and then our take profit level is 20%, so it could be hitting our take profit level any moment from now. So let's see how this plays out. All right, so I don't know if you guys have questions. If you do, go ahead, use the chat section, and I'll see how I can attend to all of your questions. Okay. So basically, that is how I take out my trades. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Okay, if you have any issue, all right, you can join my Telegram group and ask your questions. All right. So basically, that is it, and I will stop in this right here.